Welcome to Milan. Today let's explore the modern part and see the highest skyscraper in Milan and the most tallest building in Italy. We start our tour from Garibaldi metro station. Throughout the modern part in Milan, the Piazza Garibaldi has become one of the top attractions. The second option is to take Line 3 and Gioia metro station. To get in from Milano's center is just about 10 minutes by car, 18 minutes by metro, and 37 minutes by walk. Today is March 2024 and 8 Celsius temperature. Piazza Garibaldi is a pedestrian square in the city of Milan. Elevated and circular in shape, it has a diameter of 100 meters. And is located in the Isala neighborhood of Milan. In front of the entrance to the Milan Porta Garibaldi station. And just outside the eastern edge of the Milan Business Center. The Piazza Garibaldi is the epicenter of Milan's most modern neighborhood. The square was inaugurated on the 8th of December 2012. And is dedicated to the renowned female architect Garibaldi. The area is a mix between the city's historic center and the financial district. The redevelopment plan was directed by the Argentine architect, Cesar Pelli. And its main nucleus is the Piazza Garibaldi, elevated 6 meters above the street. The square is surrounded by various buildings, all with surprising designs. The most impressive is the 231-meter-tall UniCredit Tower. Which is currently the highest skyscraper in Italy. Bosco Verticale. Another of the highlights is the vertical forest. It consists of 2 residential towers covered with over 20,000 plants, including trees of varying sizes, shrubs, and other floral plants, equaling over 200,000 square feet of forest on flat land, according to Boeri. They have a height of 116 meters and 84 meters, and within the complex is an 11-story office building. The Bosco Verticale is a complex of 2 residential skyscrapers designed by Boeri Studio and located in the Porta Nuova district of Milan, Italy. Vertical forest helps to build a microclimate and to filter dust particles which are present in the urban environment. The diversity of the plants helps to create humidity and absorbs carbon dioxide and dust, produces oxygen, protects people and houses from harmful sun rays and from acoustic pollution. The Bosco Verticale is a unique example of the use of greenery in height and proportion. The living facade of the building incorporating numerous trees. And over 90 species of plants serves as an active interface with the surrounding environment. Bosco Verticale, built in Milan in 2014, is part of one of the city's most radical urban redevelopment projects. BAM is more than a park. It's your breath of fresh air in the city. It's a contemporary botanical garden in the heart of Milan. Tour Unipolsci. The project for the new Milanese headquarters of the Unipol Group in the Porta Nuova area. The tower will include 23 floors above ground and 3 underground floors, a total surface area of 33,000 square meters, and an overall height of 125 meters. The IBM Studio. IBM Studios is the home of technological innovation, a place of international scope capable of deploying the highest level of digital knowledge. Under the square there is a food court where you can go to eat, and near the square there is a beautiful park, and also there is a supermarket called Esselunga. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and hit the subscribe button for more Milan tour